Guard. Try to walk across one of these. You gotta be careful and get your feet on two of them. Put it down on just one, you can go right in. Thought I'd take a little jaunt down this trail to the lake. You can see a lot of horseshoe prints. This is basically just a wash. The rain hits the ground and puddles up and runs down. Just comes down to that. Goes down here. Goes down into the lake. Got the lake over there. Right there. And it runs right up there. We are going up, up, and away into the wild blue yonder. Dun da da da. Da 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 da.
Rude, you're trying to walk with me right on your back.
We're just hiking along here. Coming up on the backside of the dam at Cottonwood Lake. And there's the DanVan. And here we are at the top. There's the dam overflow. And this is Little Cottonwood Lake, not the big one. And we came down from yonder. Vicky says she thinks this is Indian paintbrush. Put your comments down below. Let me know what you think it is. There's Papa's rig. And there's Papa. Papa, Texas.
It's Papa. Papa, Texas.
Yep.
She will disappear into her closet and come out. I'm like, oh, I've never even seen that before. I've known her for 15 years.
She's so comfortable in the Santa stuff, riding around and waving at everybody, and then when she did that, I thought, okay, that was just a seasonal thing.
One drone coming in for a landing. Well, everybody's up or getting up. Had a good night last night. Frugal's over here trying to restart the fire. It's like 50 degrees.
I'm not trying to get up.
Rex said he's not trying to get up. He's just waiting for the fire to get warm and blow his way.
Time I almost fall asleep, the wind would gust. All the things would rattle and all that other stuff. Hey, no.
Sammy Joe checking out Rex. Vicky VanGo is well bundled up. It's chilly. And I guess C-Dub's still in her van sleeping. At least we got a sunny day, even though the high is only supposed to be 60. We got some sun. Okay, Frugal.
Yes.
Famous words here.
I made fire!
There we go. There we go. You know you wanted to say it.
I know! I did it! I beat Dan making fire.
Frugal has made fire. And Papa Texas putting up his big canopy tent here so we can cook breakfast. Put up a wind block.
Are you just going to tie it on the inside there? Like this, or what, on the outside?
Somehow I think.
Cameras together, the cameras come out. Lola just left. I missed her.
Left. She bailed on us. Yep.
The degrees I got on the thermometer is 50 something in my camper. So
Mr. Bill Goudy's awake and alive.
up and moving. I got my winter clothes on, I'm telling you.
It's cold,
I
yeah?
got my overalls. I'm thinking about breaking them out.
It's 46
Yeah.
degrees.
It's cold.
We got Vicky cooking the potatoes. Yum. This is why you go camping with Papa Texas. He's got the griddle, the discus, or the disco.
Did the wind sun die down?
He brought his spice case. And here we have Lonestarrider cooking us up some biscuits on the disco.
Better take a picture of this. You won't ever see it again.
I got a video. Is that as good as a picture?
Yep.
Might even be better, huh?
Might be better.
All right. Here we got the bacon all cooked up. Got the taters cooking. We got the eggs done. Just waiting on some other stuff. And we got Vicky VanGo filming as well.
We've got our very own Captain Morgan there. Look at him.
Is that how he does it?
That's a Captain Morgan pose right there, over the disco.
Or
No, that's the thinking man.
No, Captain Morgan thinks you're a little better.
There we go. That's better.
suck at my gut. Oh yeah, don't get with me. Get with Dan.
Dan and Greg's in here too, please. I mean, come on. Why am I being shortchanged?
You didn't say me get in there.
Oh, yeah, I was.
And I was going, what am I on? Chicken feed?
We can set up the tripod and you all get in.
Yeah, but she wants this to brag later to. Never mind. It'll be for a reason, I promise. I don't know what it is yet.
She wants to be able to sit.
I think some geocachers are tracking me. They're wanting to zoom in on the bounty. Yep. Lost is leading the way, bushwhacking her way in.
We're in a briar patch.
In the briar patch indeed, yes you are. Frugal found it. Got it out. Mr. Bill Goudy's.
Nauvoo's oldest winery. It's a white wine.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
All right.
It's a sweet white wine. But,
Hey Dan, you got a head growing out of your shoulder.
and then we got some peach salsa from Kathy's Kitchen from Beer Gal, Illinois. It's from my local area there. This lady was a school teacher for 30 years, retired to make all kinds of salsa and stuff.
Fantastic.
Yeah, it's really good. I like it. But,
What's going on here? What's going on here? Get out of my way.
anyway, there's a jar of salsa and a bottle of wine for each one of you guys.
Awesome.
Thank you.
And what's this one here now?
Thank you, Bill.
Thanks, Bill.
You're welcome.
You were
A
awesome.
little taste of Nauvoo.
You're awesome. I don't care what Papa says about you.
Vicky's ready to go tooling around on the Harley.
Get the bicycle.
That's what the Go in Vicky VanGo stands for. Helps I turn her cord on.